We finally tried the viral champurrado here at the bistro in LeBlanc Hotel, Antipolo. At kasama ko si Erica. Marami kami, ayaw lang nila magpa-video. And of course, we tried the bacon slab as well. 599 pesos. Who would order this? But it's so soft and good according to her face. Mine, of course, is the tocino slab. 599 as well. Wow, melts in your mouth. Taba. And of course, Erica needs to try it. And she actually loves this one too. So soft. And finally, the danggit champurrado. 249 pesos. When Erica wants to pour the milk, this video is so aesthetic. This alone will get some views. But anyway, she wants to put the entire milk. Tinaktak lahat. And of course, for the taste.
Wow.
Hindi plastic yung wow, ah.
It's good. It's very good.
I actually agree and wish you were here, guys. Dahil tulog na si Erica at nawawala na siya. Nasaan ka?
I'm right here.